Hey there, future trailblazers. Imagine a world where AI has transformed every corner of our lives. It's 2030, and guess what? Some jobs we've never even heard of today are not only thriving, they're the most in-demand careers of the decade. But here's the twist. It's not all about robots taking over. Humans like you are still the key players. Want to know what the top 5 jobs of 2030 are? Stick around, because some of the jobs on this list might surprise you. And don't just take my word for it. This is your chance to future-proof your career and maybe even unlock your dream job. But before we dive in, a quick challenge for you. Can we hit 100 likes on this video? Smash that like button right now and let's get started. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe because you are helping us to create more videos like this. All right, let's kick it off with job number 5, AI Ethics Specialist. Sounds fancy, right? Well, by 2030, companies will rely on these experts to make sure AI systems are fair, ethical, and unbiased. Picture this. You're the hero making sure AI doesn't discriminate in hiring, healthcare, or even policing. You're not just dealing with machines, you're shaping a better, fairer world for everyone. And here's the cherry on top. These jobs will be among the highest paid in tech. So, if you're passionate about ethics, philosophy, or law, you could be a trailblazer in this space. Quick question. If you could create one rule for AI to follow, what would it be? Let me know in the comments below. I'll feature the most creative answers in my next video. And don't forget, hit subscribe so you don't miss it. Coming in at number 4 is one of my personal favorites, Virtual Reality Experience Designer. Imagine building entire virtual worlds where people can work, play, or even go on vacation without leaving their homes. In 2030, VR will be everywhere. Shopping, education, therapy, and yes, entertainment. And someone has to design these jaw-dropping experiences. Spoiler alert, that someone could be you. If you're creative and love storytelling, this is your dream job. Plus, the demand for VR experts will explode as the metaverse becomes part of everyday life. Speaking of VR, what's one place you'd love to visit in virtual reality? Comment below and let's make a list of dream destinations. Okay, are you ready for job number 3? Because this one is a game changer. Say hello to the AI-powered healthcare specialist. By 2030, AI will diagnose diseases, recommend treatments, and even perform surgeries. But here's the twist. Machines won't replace doctors. They'll work alongside them. And that's where you come in. These specialists will bridge the gap between tech and medicine, ensuring that patients receive the best of both worlds. Think cutting-edge technology combined with a human touch. If you've ever dreamed of saving lives, this job is for you. If you're excited about how AI can revolutionize healthcare, hit that like button right now. And hey, if you've subscribed, type AI Future in the comments so I can personally thank you. Moving on to job number 2, Renewable Energy Technologist. The future isn't just smart, it's sustainable. By 2030, the world will be racing to solve the energy crisis, and renewable energy experts will lead the charge. From building AI-powered wind turbines to optimizing solar farms, you'll be at the forefront of saving the planet while making big bucks. Here's the best part. This job is perfect for engineers, environmentalists, and anyone passionate about green energy. It's your chance to leave a lasting impact on the world. If you believe renewable energy is the future, drop an Earth emoji in the comments. And don't forget to share this video with someone who cares about the planet. All right, here we are. The number 1 job of 2030 is none other than the AI augmented teacher. Here's why. Education is the foundation of everything. By 2030, teachers will use AI to personalize lessons for every student, ensuring no one gets left behind. Imagine helping kids learn faster, better, and smarter with the help of cutting-edge AI tools. AI will never replace the human connection teachers provide, but it will amplify their impact, making this one of the most rewarding careers of the future. Quick question. Who was the most inspiring teacher in your life? Shout them out in the comments and let's celebrate the educators who made a difference. So there you have it, the top 5 jobs of 2030 in the AI era. From ethics to healthcare, VR to education, these careers prove that the future is bright for those ready to adapt and innovate. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with a friend who's planning their future. And don't forget to subscribe, because every week I'll bring you tips to stay ahead in the AI revolution. Thanks for watching. Until next time, keep dreaming big and building the future you want. See you in the next video.